Friends, look what came. Let's open. This is exciting. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, here they are. Nice. These stickers are reusable. I'm totally using them. Taking these and I'm sticking it on my eyeliners. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Ooh, just as beautiful as the others. Oh, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Okay. All right. They have the classic Sonia G shape. Like they kind of like bubble up and taper. All right. Oh, this is nice. So be a nice like detail corner, inside corner brush. Oh, wow. These are so soft. This is kind of, oh, I didn't realize it's kind of flat. You see? Okay. Ooh, this will be nice for like this right here. Ooh, okay. Let's keep going. This one I was the most excited about, and it's also flat. Oh, wow. Oh my God, that is beautiful and soft. Ooh. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I don't have time to film with these. I'm taking these to Puerto Rico with me though. Okay. These will be taking a little trip with me. Oh, okay. Oh, this is good for right here. It's round. Okay. These are really nice, very unique, actually. Quite unique to my collection. This is going to be great for right in here. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Ooh, can't wait to play with these. Yay! All right, I'll work on something. I don't know. I have to go, like, you know, do the things. But, okay, great. This is nice. What palette should we use to christen these? Okay, bye.